Summary of Tax System Singapore. GST, Corporate Income Tax, Dividend and Interest Income Tax, Gift and Inheritance and Transfer Income Tax. Tax rate 7%, 17%, new company startup exemption for 3 years, temporary tax rebate, and etc. Not applicable, not applicable. Who need to file? GST registered business, compulsory registrations, taxable income is more than 1 million Singapore dollar, voluntary registrations. Taxable, any trade or business and other gain that is revenue in nature. Non-taxable, capital gain, sales of fixed assets, gains on foreign exchange on capital transactions, gift, inheritance, transfer income, dividend, paid by Singapore resident company, interest, approved by bank or licensed finance company. Not applicable, not applicable. When need to file and pay tax, filing, due 1 month after the end of the accounting period covered by the returns on a quarterly basis. For example, financial year end, December 31st January to March, April to June, July to September, October to December. Payment, due 1 month after the end of the accounting period covered by the return. Under the GIRO plan, GIRO deductions are on the 15 days of the month after payment due date. Estimated chargeable income (ECI) filing within 3 months after end of financial year, unless the company does not need to submit ECI until 2019. More than 1 million Singapore dollar of annual revenue from 2020. All companies. Payment 1 month from the date of the Notice of Assessment (NOA). Installment plans when filing made within due date. E-filing 10 to 6 times. Paper filing 5 to 3 times. Final filing Form CS or C. Filing 30th November or 15th December e-file. Payment 1 month from the date of the Notice of Assessment. Not applicable, not applicable. How to file? E-filing online. Core pass is required. Additional documents need to be submitted to IRAS when required. E-filing mytax.iras.gov.sg. Paper filing, submit to IRAS. Not applicable, not applicable. Filing form, General GST return, GST F5, correcting error made in GST return, GST F7. Form CS or C. Tax filing is allowable after preparations of financial statements, audit or compilation report, tax computations. Not applicable, not applicable. Penalty. Late filing or non-filing of tax returns up to maximum of Singapore dollar 10,000. 5% late payment penalty on the estimated tax. Late payment or non-payment up to maximum of 12% of the tax outstanding. Not applicable, not applicable.